Do you want to change your currency in your Airbnb? Here's how you do it. First, open your Chrome and search for airbnb.com. And once you're in, just simply enter your credentials for you to able to access your account. And then navigate on your profile by clicking the icon on the top right corner of your screen beside the three lines. And once you're in, just simply navigate to the account. Just simply click it, and under, just click the global preference. And once you click in under it, it has a preferred language, preferred currency, and the time zone as well. So you just have to click the edit under the preferred currency. Click the drop down icon, and you can now choose which currency do you prefer. And after selecting, just click save. And that's how you change your currency in your Airbnb.